Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about Electrolux dishwasher error code i10. This error code means that the dishwasher is not filling or the required water level is not reached within the maximum time. First of all, we will check why water does not enter a dishwasher. That is, in 1 minute the predetermined level is not reached. For this purpose, we will need to remove the left side of the dishwasher. Now we are going to test a water supply hose, which has a water inlet valve. In case the meter reading shows the result between 3 and 5 ohms of resistance, the valve has continuity. However, if the meter displays 0, there is no continuity, which means the valve has failed electrically and will need to be replaced. In case you do not have a meter, there is another simple method to check whether a valve has to be replaced or not. We need to supply electricity to this power socket. In case the water is running out of the hose, everything is okay. However, if the water is not running out of the hose, the water inlet valve is damaged and has to be replaced together with a water supply hose. That's it for now. Thank you for your attention, and we really hope that this information was useful.